today's video, I'm gonna help you learn how to make your liked videos private on TikTok. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. It's pretty easy to make your liked videos private on TikTok. Go tap open your TikTok application from your app drawer. Now, sign into your TikTok account if necessary. Once you're signed in, from your home screen, tap on the Me button in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your profile. From your profile page, tap the three dots at the upper right corner. This will open up Settings and Privacy menu. From your Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy. Scroll all the way down and tap on Liked Video option under Safety. Now, in order to keep your liked videos private on TikTok, you'll need to set it to only me from this page. After you make this change, all of the videos or contents that you like on TikTok will be kept to yourself only. And that is it. I hope you found the video to be helpful.